Ever received an eBay item and thought, this isn't quite right? Don't worry. Making a return on eBay is straightforward if you know the steps. First, log into eBay and head over to your purchase history. Find the item you wish to return. Click on the More Actions drop-down menu. You'll see an option that says Contact Seller or Request to Return. If the seller accepts returns, you'll likely see Request to Return directly. Click on this to begin. Now, clearly state your reason for the return. Be honest about the item's condition. Did it arrive damaged? Is it not as described? Provide specific details in the comment box. This is your chance to explain everything to the seller. Once you submit your request, the seller will typically respond within a few business days. They might approve the return and provide shipping instructions or ask for more information. If approved, you'll likely receive a return shipping label, or the seller will instruct you on how to ship the item back. Make sure to securely package the item, identical to how you received it. If possible, take the package to your chosen shipping carrier. Get a tracking number. This is crucial for proof of shipment and can help resolve any disputes. You can track the return progress through your eBay account. Once the seller receives the item and verifies its condition, they will issue your refund. Your refund should appear back in your account within a few business days, depending on your payment method. Clear communication and following these steps will ensure a smooth eBay return.